students, welcome back to our series of parts of speech. Today we are going to start our new lesson. Lesson number 12, adverbs. In this lesson, you will learn what is an adverb and types of adverb. So let's get started, students. So let me ask you a question first. What is an adverb? Some people say that adverbs are like adjectives. You know adjectives? Words like good, bad, beautiful, tall, short, etc. They give information about nouns. Some people say adverbs give information about verbs, but that is half correct because adverbs are very talented verbs. Now students, you must be thinking, how can adverb be a talented verb? Because they can give us more information about verbs, but also give us information about adjectives and other adverbs and even about whole sentences. Now adverbs are also around us. Words like slowly, unfortunately, very, enough, always, however, tomorrow, and so on and so forth. I'm sure children, you all use adverbs all the time. But why do you use them? Well, we use adverbs because they answer some important questions about our sentences. Questions like when, where, when, how much, or how often, etc. Now let us go through the definitions given in your book. An adverb is a word used to qualify or add something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another verb. That means adverbs qualifies or modifies a verb. Let me give you some examples. So students, you can see I have written some examples of it here. Let us go through. He ate the sandwich quickly. Ridhima looks really beautiful in that dress. You can park your car here. Glenn went to the beach yesterday. I sometimes drink coffee in the morning. Now, let us start with our example 1, that is he ate the sandwich quickly. Now, in this sentence, first of all, we will mark the verb here. So, ate is the verb, or we can say the action done by the person, and he is the subject here. Now, quickly is the adverb. You can see how quickly he ate the sandwich. Now, quickly is the adverb. I am writing the short form ADV. So, quickly is the adverb and it gives information about the verb ate. See, he ate the sandwich quickly. So, what was the information given? That is, he is eating quickly. How did he eat the sandwich? Quickly. So, he ate the sandwich quickly. Now, let's go to our second example. Ridhima looks really beautiful in that dress. Now, really is the adverb. So, what is the subject here? Ridhima. Ridhima is the subject here. So, do you find any verb here? No, but there is an adjective here, and the adjective is beautiful. Now, in this sentence, how beautiful Ridhima looks in the dress. This is the answer. Ridhima looks really beautiful in this dress. She is really beautiful. It means very beautiful. The adverb really modifies the adjective here, beautiful. That means it gives information about the adjective, that is really. Now let's go to our third example. You can park your car here. Now this example is from adverb of place. We will read about this further in our types of adverbs. Now here you is the subject. Can park your car here. So here is the adverb here. So now as we have already discussed that this is the example or the sentence based on adverb of place. In this sentence, how you will ask the question, where can I park my car? So the answer is, you can park your car here. Let's go to our next example. Glenn went to beach yesterday. Now, this sentence is also based on adverb of time, that is yesterday. Yesterday is the adverb. Now, Glenn is the subject because we are talking about Glenn. So, in this sentence, the answer is yesterday because it tells us about the time that when did Glenn went to the beach. So, Glenn went to the beach yesterday. Our next example, I sometimes drink coffee in the morning. So, here I is the subject, sometimes is the adverb here. Now in this sentence you can identify the adverb which answers the question how often. I drink my coffee in the morning. How often? Every morning? No, only sometimes I drink my coffee. So these are the examples of adverbs. I hope you are clear with this. Now let us move on to our next topic, types of adverb.